Hi everyone, and first of all, thank you very much because we reached and surpassed the 1000 mark of the subscribers. So now this is something very important. It was a personal goal about this, and let's get right into the theme of the video, because we have finished the development of the Rally 2 hood vents, and they look awesome. I assure you, they're really good. So I'll let you here with just a 1 minute slideshow of some images. These we're going into prototyping and production immediately because everything is already refined. I'm sorry the images aren't the best, but we're working at high speed here, you can imagine. And so yeah, please enjoy and let me know what you think in the comments. And if you're interested in them, just drop me an email and we'll sort it out together. Cheers. Have a great day.